Once upon a time, in the heart of the puzzle paradise, there existed a magical land known as the shape-sorting safari. It was a place where geometric wonders and puzzling creatures coexisted in perfect harmony. The land was covered in vibrant patterns and colors, each shape holding a unique power. At the center of the safari was the great sorting tree, a colossal tree with branches that stretched high into the sky. On each branch, there hung a different shape: circles, triangles, squares. Legend had it that the harmony of the entire safari depended on the proper sorting of these shapes. In this enchanting land lived Zara, a young explorer with a passion for solving puzzles. Zara had always been fascinated by the magical properties of the shapes and dreamed of unraveling the mysteries hidden within the great sorting tree. One day, a mischievous breeze swept through the safari, causing the shapes to scatter in disarray. The once harmonious land was thrown into chaos. Distressed, the animals and creatures of the safari sought Zara's help. Determined to restore balance, Zara embarked on a thrilling adventure through the puzzle paradise. Along the way, she encountered shape-shifting chameleons, talking triangles, and square-faced owls. Each encounter brought a new challenge, testing Zara's wits and puzzle-solving skills. As she delved deeper into the safari, Zara discovered that the shapes held the key to unlocking hidden passages and revealing the magical essence of the land. With each successful sorting, the safari began to transform, blossoming into an even more breathtaking landscape. Zara's journey reached its peak at the foot of the great sorting tree. The tree, sensing Zara's determination, bestowed upon her a magical prism. This prism had the power to harmonize the shapes and restore order to the safari. With the magical prism in hand, Zara ascended the branches of the great sorting tree. She carefully placed each shape in its designated spot, and as the last piece fell into place, a brilliant light enveloped the entire safari. The once scattered shapes now glowed in radiant unity. The animals cheered, and the land flourished with newfound vibrancy. Zara's bravery and puzzle-solving prowess had saved the shape-sorting safari, bringing peace and harmony back to puzzle paradise. As a token of gratitude, the great sorting tree granted Zara the title of the Shape Master. From that day forward, she became the guardian of the magical safari, ensuring that the shapes remained in perfect harmony, creating a haven of enchantment for all who ventured into the shape-sorting safari. And so the legend of Zara, the Shape Master, echoed through the puzzle paradise, inspiring puzzle enthusiasts and explorers for generations to come.